morning. This is your friend Sakshi Gulia, and once again welcome back to my channel. So I took a quite long time to come back again, almost 3 months, but I have reason for that. And so, not going into the reason, I wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous new year. So today's video is on anxiety. Every person some or the other time have faced anxiety in their life, or nowadays, as per the situations, anxiety in students, anxiety at workplace, anxiety in adults, or everyone, every age group, it has not doubled, the rates have tripled. Why is that so? Are we not able to handle the pressure? What's the reason of our anxiety? So let's first understand the reason of anxiety, and then I'll tell you some ways to tackle your anxiety. The first reason that people face anxiety is due to lack of sleep. Yes, due to lack of sleep, when your mind is at unrest, it creates anxiety in your body. Second reason is due to work pressure. Third reason is when you are not able to handle your relations, and etc. I can go on and on and on. Now let's come to how to identify your anxiety and what you can do about your anxiety. It's your anxiety. Cure yourself, heal yourself. So, wow, I love the birds. Okay, so where was I? कहाँ थी मैं? Anxiety. That we should do if we are feeling anxious. Talk to someone. Talk to your friend. Talk to your colleague. Share yourself with that person. Take out what's there inside you. It can really hamper your work or your life if you don't take out the things inside you. What's the cause of your anxiety? And no one better than you know the cause of it. The next thing we can do is honor your sleep. Sleep at least 8 hours, and don't be guilty if you are sleeping for 10 hours. Your body needs rest, and it's really important. In the world, the first thing that you should respect, you should love, is your beautiful body. Before sleeping, at least 1 hour, stay away from the devices like computer, mobile, laptop, TV, any kind of device. Stay away from it. What is my night routine? I always come on the terrace, I listen beautiful music, I gaze at the stars, I look at the beautiful moon, I just recall my dreams, and I just feel grateful for whatever I have in my life. I just talk to the stars. That's weird, I know, but it makes me happy. Don't be judgmental, judging yourself. Anything like why this is happening, why I'm overworked, anything. First thing you should do is accept it, that this thing is happening in my life and I will overcome. Make your willpower strong. You are a warrior. You can fight anything. Just keep that attitude and just share. Let things come out of you. The last thing, some day of the week or some hours of the day, cut off from the outside world. We are feeding so much inside our beautiful mind that we don't have time for self-care. And taking out time for self-care, having some hobbies, involving in music, dance, or getting involved with nature will cure all your anxiety, all your problems in your life. So just be close to nature, do things that you love to do apart from your work. And if you love your work, And there's nothing great than that. With this, I, Sakshi Dalia, sign off. See you next time soon. I promise that I'll be regular now. I'll make one video every week and I'll post on every Saturday. So this is my promise to you all. Bye bye. See you all next time. Enjoy your Diwali and celebrate a green cracker free Diwali.